So another question that gets asked a lot, and I think we're gonna put this right really, because it is a bit of a fallacy. But why a lot of people ask, why are German kitchens more expensive than British kitchens?
Danny can have that one first.
Yeah. Well, we know that they're much better build quality, but I don't think that German kitchens are more expensive than British ones. And you know, at the end of the day, all British kitchens are manufactured using the parts from Europe. All the material comes from Europe. A lot of the product gets brought in from Europe. So by the time that they are finally put together and fitted, then if you're going for a if you're moving out of the kitchen market, which is entry level kitchens, and you're going up a notch, I think we're very, very, very comparable with British high end British manufacturers' costs. So I don't think we are more expensive. I don't think German stuff is more expensive.
I agree with that, Dan. I mean, I always put it like this: we've got the full kitchen market from year to year. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So this is the full kitchen market. Are we saying that the Germans that take up the top, say, 60% of the market are more expensive than English kitchens, which will go down into the bottom 40? They're not more expensive. They just don't offer that kind of kitchen.
That kind of product.
So
yeah.
They don't offer that product. They don't offer that product that falls apart. They don't offer that product that's flat packed. They don't offer that unprincipled, we're not bothered about quality product. When we get that and we scrap that rubbish that's at the bottom end of German kitchens, and then we start looking at what we've got, that there is no difference in price. And in some brands, I
always tell our customers that if you're looking at cost over time, then a German kitchen is always cheaper than a British kitchen.
Yeah.
So even, you know, if you buy an entry level kitchen, you've got to buy 3 or 4 of those to last the same lifespan as one German kitchen.
It's washing machines. It's the same as washing machine, isn't it? Some people have a principle where they go, I'll spend 300 quid on a washing machine, and then I will change it every 2 years.
Yeah.
and when it leaks, it's going to take £2,000 of the flooring with it. But it only costs me £300. Or do you go and spend £1,000 on a washing machine and know that it's going to last you 15 years? You know, exactly. I know where I'm at in what I do. In actual fact, we're not asking customers to spend £300, or let's put it in real kitchen terms, £6,000. We're not saying you need to spend for a quality German kitchen £24,000. What we're saying is that it's a percentage, sometimes a little bit more expensive. But that might mean that an English kitchen that the customer's got is £10,500, but we can put it in at £11,500 for a German kitchen. We're not asking them to pay double the price or 3 times the price like a washing machine. We're asking them just say, look, you don't want something that's going to last a hell of a lot longer, look nicer, you know, put this resale on your property better. And it's just a little bit sometimes, not in all cases, but a little bit more expensive.
Yeah, we don't find we're much difference with we have many people coming in and they've had quotes from here and there, but we don't find that we're a million miles away from everybody. But we do offer a different service too. We offer our own unique service here, which is has a value to it as well. So you know, that everything gets reflected in the cost of the kitchens.
Yeah, I mean, I think if you actually compared the contents of a German kitchen, so if you compared it with the materials they used, I think if you took all of that and put it into a British factory, I think they use exactly the same materials, the same hinges, same door boxes, same furniture board, and made it exactly the same way that the Germans do. The British kitchen would turn out a lot more expensive because of its German efficiency that allows them to make these fantastic quality products at a really affordable price. And again, it's also economy of scale. The British are the biggest kitchen manufacturer in Europe, because they make so many kitchens, they can make them a lot more efficiently and they're a lot better value for money.
I mean, I refer to Aldi all the time. You know, Aldi's got the best marketing brand ever because people still go today, have you had that? Have you had them for the steak? Smelled it? They're nice, you know.
Yeah.
Like, this is fantastic. What, like however many years on, people are still surprised. You know, like, have we not become completely and utterly comfortable with the fact that it's quality? It's really good quality, and in some places, better quality. But the reality of it is just like making 3,500 kitchens a day, or making 200 kitchens a day, which I would expect is probably where English manufacturers are. By making that difference, is they're making so much, you know, out of 200 kitchens, 200 kitchens a week in English manufacturing. By making those, they've got to make so much more profit on each kitchen to be able to operate what they've got, opposed to making 3,500. And Aldi make the least amount of money out of every single part that they sell through their supermarkets, but they have a system that means that it goes quick through the checkout, multiple checkouts, efficient ways of opening checkouts, shutting checkouts for when they've got busy times. They've got all of that nailed to the ground, so their efficiencies are there, which enables them to move it fast, sell it cheaper, and sell more products at a lesser markup than what anyone else does. And ultimately, they make more money. And that's the key to it, is like the volume is where they get the profit back from.